Hey Phirebirds, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. So today we will be reapplying my ash blonde wig that I got from VIP Wigs probably about 7 or 8 months ago. I really love this wig and I've already cut it like so many times because I love it so much. Originally it was 24 inches when I first ordered it. Now I've cut it to probably about 20 inches, I would say. So when I wash the wig, I preset it in the middle part, and I don't really like using a wax stick, so I find that if I preset it with some mousse when it's still wet, I don't have any flyaway hairs, so we are already good to go. So considering I already cut this hair, the front fringe area was already kind of layered. It was just longer and choppier than what I wanted it to be. So I'm just gonna go through at an angle and kind of check where I would want my bangs to fall. And I'm just gonna go through and gently layer that hair. And like I said, it's all kind of layers in this hair, guys. Over those months, I've done so many styles, so I feel like the curtain bangs are like perfect. Once you've gone through the side part layerings on both sides, middle part, and you got layers all over the place, that's when you want to do your curtain bangs. And truth be told, once these curtain bangs get old to me, I'm probably going to do some straight bangs because I definitely believe in getting the most out of my wigs. Alright, so here I'm literally just talking to myself because I decided not to use any of that talking. So I'm going to use my large barrel Conair curling iron. I believe this one is 1.5 inches. It might even be 2 inches, but I will add it on my Amazon affiliate list and I'll put that down at the bottom so you guys can just click on there and pretty much find all the items that I use for my wigs. So we're just going to go through and kind of curl away from the face, and I really didn't want a big structured look. I didn't want to look like I just curled my hair. So I'm only gonna pin the bottom curls, but you'll see I'm not really gonna mess with the top too much. Oh, and for those who are curious, my nails are made by myself. They're my hard gel reusable press-on nails. So you can check out my site, Phoenix Fire Nails, on Etsy if you want to get a pair. Just throwing it out there, no pressure. So we're just going to go ahead and continue curling, and I'm just going to show you the one side because I literally do the exact same thing on the other side. However, once I do both sides, I'm going to save the bang area for last. Okay, so we're going to do our bang area, and I'm just going to curl that down. And yeah, it's popping already in my mind. Like, I'm loving this. So the only thing with having so many layers is the hairs that pop out. It's so annoying to me because I be trying to catch all of them, but it's not Pokemon. I'm just not going to catch them all. So we're going to continue to curl that towards the face like you would do with traditional straight bangs. Bam! I needed special effects for this because I was feeling myself. Yeah, so look at that, y'all. Just some simple layering and some big curls. All right, catch you next time. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.